Hello kids, welcome to my channel Shino Kids. Kids, in this video we will practice CVC sentences with short E sound. Kids, first I will read the sentence and then you will get the time to read the sentence so that you can learn reading. Are you ready kids? Let's start. Ben has a pet hen. Ben has a pet hen. Kids, now your turn. Ben has a pet hen. Jen has a pen. Jen has a pen. Now your turn. Jen has a pen. The bed is wet. The bed is wet. Now your turn. The bed is wet. Jen met a vet. Jen met a vet. Now your turn. Jen met a vet. The net is set. The net is set. Now your turn. The net is set. My pet is wet. My pet is wet. Now your turn. My pet is wet. The jet is red. The jet is red. Now your turn. The jet is red. The web is on the bed. The web is on the bed. Now your turn. The web is on the bed. Ted is in the net. Ted is in the net. Now your turn. Ted is in the net. I can pet the hen. I can pet the hen. Now your turn. I can pet the hen. Ken will get the pen. Ken will get the pen. Now your turn. Ken will get the pen. The peg is red. The peg is red. Now your turn. The peg is red. I go to bed at 10. I go to bed at 10. Now your turn. I go to bed at 10. Go get the red pen. Go get the red pen. Now your turn. Go get the red pen. Well done, kids. You all did a great job. Kids, now you can read all the sentences in one go by pausing this video. Amazing, kids! You have successfully read the sentences with sound E. Thank you, kids. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.